Do you struggle to understand native English speakers in your IELTS listening test? The accents confuse you or make you lose focus? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to train your ear, practice smarter, and score higher in the IELTS listening test. Welcome back to Mr. English Guide, where I help you master English and achieve your dream IELTS band score. Stay till the end, because I'll also share a 7-day listening practice plan that's helped hundreds of students improve their scores fast. Let's start by understanding what the IELTS listening test actually measures. It's not just about hearing English words. It's about understanding meaning, context, and details while under time pressure. The test has 4 sections and 40 questions in total. You'll hear recordings in different accents: British, Australian, American, sometimes Canadian. Section 1. A conversation in a social context. Section 2. A monologue, like a tour guide giving instructions. Section 3. An academic discussion. Section 4. A university lecture. Each section gets a bit harder, so you need to train your listening stamina, just like athletes train their muscles. Now let's talk about the 5 key listening skills you must develop to master IELTS listening. Use your 30 seconds before each recording to predict what kind of word fits. A name, a number, a place, a date, an adjective. Example: the price of the ticket is $100. You already know it's a number. IELTS never gives you the same words. If the question says the weather was terrible, the speaker might say awful or it rained heavily all day. Build your synonym bank. Listen for however, therefore, for example, finally. These are signals that something important is coming. Now, here's your 7-day IELTS listening practice plan. You can repeat this every week until you feel confident. Day 1. Orientation and weakness check. Take 1 Cambridge listening test to find your score. Day 2. Section 1 practice, easy dialogues. Work on forms and numbers. Day 3. Section 2. Monologue. Watch short documentaries or tours. Practice note completion. Day 4. Section 3. Academic discussion. Listen to student projects or interviews. Focus on multiple choice. Day 5. Section 4. Lecture listening. Listen to TED Talks. Summarize main ideas. Day 6. Mixed practice and review. Do a full test and analyze your mistakes. Day 7. Real test simulation. Sit for 40 minutes without pause. Review and set new goals. End of section. Slightly softer, reassuring tone. Remember, progress comes from consistency, not perfection. Before we wrap up, here are my top expert tips for Band 8 and above. 1. Shadow native speakers. Repeat and train your ear. 2. Use transcripts. Underline new words. 3. Change listening speed. Try 1.25x to react faster. 4. Stay calm during silence. Focus till the recording ends. 5. Build topic vocabulary. Common themes: environment, education, technology, health, transport. So there you go. Everything you need to understand, practice, and master the IELTS listening test. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mr. English Guide, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson. And remember, English learning isn't about being perfect. It's about progress every single day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.